Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin on the iPhone because call routing and haptics often follow it. Open Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, and make sure ringer and alerts are audible. You need this so the watch receives call notifications. Once done, scroll to Phone and check that calls are allowed to notify both devices. Make sure Silent Mode on the iPhone is configured how you want it, because that changes notification delivery. This sets the foundation for the watch to vibrate when a call comes in. Now switch attention to the watch settings so vibrations are active and noticeable. In the Watch app on your iPhone, open My Watch, then Sounds and Haptics. Toggle Haptic Alerts on and choose Prominent to add a pre-notification tap. Once configured, use the watch itself. Go to Settings, right arrow Sounds and Haptics, and slide haptic strength up to increase intensity. You want a firm tap that you'll feel through clothing. This combination ensures the watch receives and performs a clear vibrate for incoming calls. Finish by testing. Have someone call you and watch for vibration and the incoming call screen. You need both to confirm success. If the watch doesn't vibrate, restart the watch and iPhone, then make sure Bluetooth is active and they're connected. This often resolves missed haptics. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone or unpair and repair the watch as a last resort, because corrupted pairing or notification settings are common causes of silent calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.